Hello, my name is Don Chader. I saw your company advertised on Facebook here, and I found your website. And I'm an SEO guy that gets websites to the top of Google. I'm local, so I live in Kenosha, and wanted to just give you some free tips and tricks. So let's see. It looks like you got a website, a Wix website, and so one thing I noticed right away when your website is indexed. It's kind of buried on Google search. But one thing I would do, like I'd put Racine roofing as like the first words here, and then maybe roofing contractors, and then Hulk exteriors as your title. And then in the description, again, it's almost perfect here, but I'd put like Racine roofing, and then I'd build this out more, like and make it a full paragraph with all the services. And then also on your website there's something called an H1 tag. If you could put that right here again, put like Racine roofing, and then those three things, keeping it consistent, it tells Google exactly who you are, where you are, and what you want to rank for. Roofing, obviously, or other repairs and whatnot that you do. So that's one thing. And then and just to show you, let's see, here's another tool I use when I type in Racine roofing. It's an easy word to rank for on Google. There's about 150 people per month searching that word looking for a roofer. They're in Racine. Your competitors are paying about $808 just for one click. But just to give you an idea, let's see, this company looks like they're the ones taking advantage of this, of being on the top of Google. They're getting about 100 clicks per month for free. And then this Carlson, I've heard of them actually. You probably have. Yelp, and here's Home Advisor. These two, once you see them, they're easy to rank for. These are search engines, so Google ideally doesn't want to put another search engine as a top result. So they're typically easy to beat. So all the other competitors here, they don't know how to do websites, or they don't know how to rank for raised, roofing. So here's Angie's List, here's BBB, and then here's some other competitors. So let's see if I got anything else here. Here's another free tool. I typed in Racine roofing. There's about 200 people searching according to this tool. Racine roofing contractors. There's about 90 people searching that keyword. And then another thing too. So here's a couple of things. So I mentioned the title, the H1 tag, and the description should be consistent. And then the content on your website, ideally, there should be about 1,000 words, but this is probably fine. And then, so content, the on page, the backlinks are very important. So this shows that you have 0 backlinks, other websites pointing to yours. Some easy ways to get that is through, if you're on forums or blogs, usually you can type comments and then add your website. So Google will find that as a backlink to your website. So that's some ideas just to try and get more backlinks. Like obviously Facebook, like this is a backlink. So you put your website on Facebook, but it's good to have a wide range of backlinks to your website. So, and then another thing too is your name, address, and phone number, which is called a citation. And then so this is good that you got your name, address, phone number. And so I used another tool here. So this is like a, local citation finder. And it's showing that you have 33 citations. So I would get this up into the hundreds actually. Let's see, so reverse caller database, you're on there. These are all blurred out. This is just a free account. I'm not paying them to try and get everything. Number hidden. It's giving us unshaking. I never heard of some of these, but this is kind of interesting. That people, if they search your phone number, they'll get one of these caller. So that's probably a good idea to have those. But I would use Yext, Yext. I have a reseller account with them, but you can get over 300 citations. You can get on Alexa, since voice searching is that's the future, and it's already taking over. And like the Apple Maps is on there, since a lot of people are on their iPhones and using maps. So again, citations, the backlinks, these would all help you out. I do this for a living, so if you got any questions or whatever, I don't mind. Just reach out back to me, email me back. But I'm gonna save this video. Sorry it's so long. I wanted to try and keep it a little shorter. But again, my name is Don Chater. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.